As you just saw then, I tried to start the car and it won't start. Battery's flat. Brand new battery. So I'm gonna have to go back to Euro car parts and swap it. It's brand new, it's not even been on that long. I just fished out the receipt, so I'm going to go and do that. Then we can change the door. So there you have it. I was correct. The battery I had was dead. It registered 7 volts. It's only a month old, so I took it back to Euro car parts and they give me another one. They do offer a 3-year warranty on all their batteries, so as long as you keep the receipt you will get another one. But the old battery was only a month old and the bloke was quite shocked that it was dead, but it only registered 7 volts, and I did get him to check this one first, and it's got 100% pass. Right, new battery in under there. Let's go and try. Yay! Fabulous. Well, let's turn the one off. We can now get to that door. That was the whole purpose of today. I don't know why that battery went kaput. I know I haven't used this car much, but blimey. I was in it yesterday and it was fine. Absolutely fine yesterday. I locked it up and it was fine. Oh, if you're wondering what the plastic is, it's because I've washed the seats, and this is a film you can put over to keep it protected. Obviously I'm going to be selling it, so yeah, it's got this film on. If anyone's interested and want to know what it is, I can put a link in the description if you want, or I'll let you know. But it's sticky, and you stick it and it just protects everything. Right, let's go and try the door. Right, so this is the new door. It was purchased from these. I'm sure people have heard of them. They're an online company that dismantle cars and also sell salvage. But so I got it directly from, no sorry, I didn't get it from their site. I was going to get it from their site. I did buy a car from there. This was actually on eBay. So they told me it was a door which would be bare, so I'm quite shocked it's turned up and it's got glass in it and everything's in it. You can see. And the best thing is, this is exactly the same door as the one I'm taking off, as it's got the one touch. The only odd thing is this glass is not tinted, whereas the one in my door I'm taking out is tinted. But I will show you something. Right, I do apologise for the wind. So as you can see, that glass is tinted as well as the back, and this is the door that I'm taking off. So you would replace that glass into the new one, but if you look over there, that glass is not tinted, and I never put this door on. So you have to ask yourself, do I put one tinted glass back in and go to all the hassle of changing the door? Well, I have to take the door card off and get the glass out, which is, it's just not an easy job. Well, you match it with this side where there's no tint. That window's tinted and the little side ones are tinted. So for the sake of just keeping one tinted window, which seems ridiculous, I don't know why this is not tinted. I'm guessing because it had a previous repair, the glass was smashed. I'm not sure who did these doors. I'm guessing it wasn't an insurance company, because when I was doing bits, I think the front windscreen was smashed as well. I can still find bits of glass. But yeah, so for the sake of not changing that glass, there is no point putting one tinted window back in. And that door, what I've just purchased, which was an absolute bargain because it was 75 quid plus 30 delivered, and they told me it was completely bare, and it's not. But the good thing about it is it's exactly the same as this door, and it's got the one touch. I will double check to make sure though, and obviously once I put it in, I will double check to make sure it all functions, but it should be fine. So let's go. Right, let's find the right end. So if I remember right, it's that. Yep. So you got to take this piece out first. It's exactly hard in there, and that's just the door catch up so you can swing it open and close, and then there's a bolt here and a bolt there. It's literally just 2 bolts. The only thing you have to worry about is the wiring harness down the bottom. I'm just thinking I probably should disconnect that. Right. So I'm going to lift this door off and then actually no. So when you take these out, there's little clips. You'll see them. If you ever have to do this, you'll understand what I mean. Right, what I mean by clips is that there. See that? Hang on. No, don't go back in. You push that in and it releases these clips. There's 2 that side and 1 that side, and it does this. Hang on. See? Have it like that before you take the door off, because if you don't, it will yank on this. By taking this off here now, this just, God, sorry. See that bit that just slides up again there. They just go up, you'll see. Right, I apologise for the noise. My road's so busy. Wasn't, now it is. So all the hardware is in the door, so I'm going to stick it back on, which is the reverse, taking it off. Don't really need to see this, but I'll show it. I need to put the clip in first. Right, it's on. Ta-da! It's funny. It matches that car door which I replaced with a different one off a different car, but you can see the blend doesn't blend in well. New paint versus old. So, and of course this door is filthy. Annoyingly, this car was cleaned and buffed, as you know. Everything was clean. As you can see, this door is beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. Stickers and the DP, whatever that is, and then it's absolutely filthy. But watch. Oh. It's definitely a direct fitment because it's got the one touch. It's exactly the same interior, and it's got the chrome strip. So I definitely know it's off of titanium. It's about to do nothing at all. There's a QC pass sticker in there, which is from the scrapyard, I think. Wow. And that bit down there is exactly the same bit that's in the boot. So I'm guessing that seam sealer in the paint chipped off, so the bit in the boot hadn't been painted over. So all we've got to do now is clean this again. Some sort of fur on it. It lines up okay, it's not the best. I could do with taking it off and relining it here. If you want to know how to do that. So there we talked about these bolts that let it in and out. If you unloose that, and God, I can't see, unloose that one, you can actually move the door up and down, left and right, only a fraction, but enough to take this out. It's a slight lip. It's not that bad. But then, from that way it's fine. But you do find with old cars, I suppose it is old, but the rubbers go, well, all these rubbers are not the best. Most of them are hanging down. I've had to glue them all back on. So this rubber might be better rubber than the next. So this door may go in more, but you can adjust it, as I said. It's fine apart from that. It's just slightly off on that door as well. Then I've buffed and polished that one. The only thing that spoils it is this dent that came in this door. It's funny though, this door I replaced matched my window painted with rattle. No, it wasn't. Spray gun. Oh well. There we go. If you needed to know how to replace the door, that is it.